Yo, what's up again, YouTube? Today we're making a basic pair of shorts. We'll be using the basic shorts PDF pattern, which you can find a link to in the description below. Today's going to be a simple step-by-step tutorial that a beginner can do really. Only challenging part could be the waist, but with just some practice, it's really easy stuff. So yeah, make sure that you watch till the end because I literally give you the step by step. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. You'll need 1 meter of your fabric, 1 meter of the elastic, a pair of scissors, pins, thread of the same color as your fabric, and that's all. First, you want to go and get the pattern and use it to cut your fabric out. Now, you'll find that on the pattern, every piece is labeled with sizes ranging from extra small to extra large. Other information such as how many of each piece to cut, the direction of the grain line, and where the fold should be. And after cutting, you should mark the wrong side of your pieces just so you don't get confused later. Then you just want to start sewing. Thank you for making it till the end. Very happy with how the shorts turned out. Really, from here you can add your own pocket designs, maybe a string for the waist, a back pocket. Um, you can really play around with the design and even design on top of it yourself. Um, but these basic shorts, like the basic shorts pattern, can just like serve as um, a base. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the subscribe button. Check the rest of my Etsy shop. I have more patterns there and some sales that you may like. And to reward you for making it this far, I'm giving you the code MyShorts to get 25% off when you purchase a pattern. Now, go out there and make a bunch of shorts. See you again next time.